Garrett Hardin developed a theory called the tragedy of the commons. Dr. Hardin's theory is basically when the supply of something can't meet the demands of something due to overuse and exploitation. This happens because individuals put their personal needs ahead of the group's needs. Sometimes this can result in valuable resources running completely out. Since one person gets greedy, everyone wants to get greedy. Most resources can't renew themselves fast enough to meet these demands. One example of the tragedy of the commons is when two states share a river. They all take a certain amount of fish out of the river. One day, one of the states decided that they wanted to fish more than usual, thinking the other states wouldn't notice, but they did. So they started taking more fish out too. The fish can't reproduce fast enough to meet these standards. This causes the river to start running out of fish. Now the states barely have any fish to get out of the river. This affects their economies because a lot of their restaurants depended on the seafood from out of the river to have fresh food. Since these restaurants don't have fresh seafood, they lose business, causing the entire state's economy to lose money. This also affects the ecosystem of the river. The predator of the fish decreases in population because it has one less food source. The prey of the fish increases in population because they don't have a predator to keep them from overpopulating. This all happened because one state wanted to get greedy and take more than their share. The other states noticed this and wanted to take more fish also. That one action of one state getting greedy caused a huge domino effect. All of this could have been easily avoided. This all started because one state took more than their share of fish. So all that is needed to stop this is to regulate the amount of fish each state takes out of the river. The government can enforce this by saying if the states don't abide by these rules, then there will be consequences such as not being able to fish in that specific river.